Hi, this is Dani with the Woolery again, and I have in front of me a really neat little guy. This is the Schacht Easel Weaver, and you might be curious as to why it's called the Easel Weaver, and it's because it has an easel built in. It's a really neat little thing, actually. It's a little small tapestry loom, which is really cool. I have really small hands, so you can see how little it is. This is the 6-inch model. This will also come in an 8-inch and a 10-inch as well, so you can get them bigger. But this little guy is just absolutely perfect for taking on the go. Just toss it in your various craft bag and put in some of your scraps and just weave up some of your scraps of yarn from various other projects that you have floating about. Heaven knows we all have them. And just put them all together in a beautiful little tapestry that you can take and work on whenever. This guy is just a neat little thing. The cool thing about the easel, of course, is that you don't have to have it in hand when you're working with it. So you can just set her right up and just weave right on it just as it is, which is really super cool. So get yourself a Schacht Easel Weaver. They're really neat. We like them.